iba't ibang method ng pag-align ng pipe. Ito ay elbow to pipe, at ito naman ay T to pipe gamit ang level, spirit level. Ito naman ay 45 degree to pipe, at ito ay T to elbow naman, at ito naman ay pag-align ng flange to pipe, samantalang ito ay pipe to elbow 45 degree to pipe. Yan. Ito naman ay pipe to 90 degree elbow to pipe din. Tapos ito naman ang pag-align ng bolt hole, at ito naman ay pag-align ng pipe to 45 degree elbow. Ito ay elbow to flange tsaka pipe, and then this one is T to pipe, and then this one is pipe to 90 degree elbow to pipe. Ito naman ay flange to pipe to 90 degree elbow, and then pipe 45 degree to pipe, and then flange to pipe. Ito flange to pipe to elbow. Ito naman ay T to pipe. At ito rin ay flange to pipe.